Welcome! Today we'll learn how to convert between liters and milliliters. Specifically, we'll solve this problem, convert 1.75 liters to milliliters. Let's first understand what these units represent. A liter is a unit of volume that's about the size of a large water bottle. A milliliter is much smaller. It's about the size of a small medicine dropper. The relationship between these units is that 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters. To convert from liters to milliliters, we'll use the conversion factor method. We'll start with 1.75 liters and multiply by our conversion factor. The conversion factor is 1,000 milliliters per 1 liter written as a fraction. Notice how the units work here. The liters in the denominator cancels with our original liters, leaving us with just milliliters in our final answer. Now, let's multiply the numbers. 1.75 times 1,000 equals 1,750. Therefore, 1.75 liters equals 1,750 milliliters. Let's visualize this conversion. If we start with 1.75 liters of water and pour it into milliliter containers, we would fill 1,750 of them. To summarize, when converting from liters to milliliters, multiply by 1,000. This works because 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters. Always remember to check your units to make sure your conversion makes sense.